Kia Motors India has released the official rendering of the upcoming Kia Sonet subcompact SUV. The all-new Sonet is slated to make its global debut on the 7th of August this year, and the latest sketches give us a preview of what the production version will look like. The overall design and styling appear to be largely in line with the pre-production concept car that was showcased at the 2020 Auto Expo. The renderings reveal a wide tiger nose grille with the 3D stepwheel mesh pattern. The SUV will also get LED headlamps and daytime running lights, along with a muscular front bumper and large air intakes. The sketches reveal beefy wheel arches, dual-tone black roof rails, and a sloping receive pillar with a small quarter glass. As for the interior, the upcoming Sonet will get a single housing for the instrument console and the first in segment 10.25-inch HD touchscreen infotainment system. This unit will feature Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as UVO connected car tech. The Sonet will be offered in both HT line and GT line trims, powered by petrol and diesel engines. Bookings for the new Kia Sonet are expected to begin soon after the global debut. Jeep has launched the new Compass Night Eagle Edition in India with prices starting at 20,14,000 rupees for the 1.4-litre turbo petrol variant. The Jeep Compass Night Eagle 4x2 diesel manual variant is priced at 20,75,000 rupees, while the range-topping diesel automatic 4x4 variant is priced at 23,31,000 rupees. All prices ex-showroom India. The new Night Eagle Edition is the first global limited edition version of the Jeep Compass and is also on sale in Brazil and the UK. Going by the name, the Compass Night Eagle Edition gets blacked out treatment on the outside and the inside. It features a blacked out grille, front bumper, roof panel, black badging, and even the window line, along with blacked out 18-inch alloy wheels. The cabin features black techno leather seats and a gloss black finish on the dashboard. The feature list remains the same as the Longitude variant, and the model comes with the touchscreen Uconnect infotainment system, keyless entry, hill start assist, and a lot more. The Jeep Compass Night Eagle Edition is offered in 4 color options: Vocal White, Exotica Red, Brilliant Black, and Magnesio Grey. Toyota India is all set to make its debut in the competitive subcompact SUV segment with a new product which will be based on the new Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Likely to be called the Toyota Urban Cruiser, the company plans to launch this subcompact SUV during the upcoming festive season. The Japanese automaker will be aiming to boost sales with the launch of the new 5-seater offering that will be the brand's most affordable SUV on sale in India. The new subcompact SUV will get revised styling to differentiate it better from the Vitara Brezza, but will retain the same features as well as a 1.5-litre K-series petrol engine with mild hybrid technology. The Toyota Glanza was the first offering under the Toyota-Suzuki partnership, and the upcoming SUV will be the second badge-engineered Suzuki model to be sold by Toyota in India.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.